So how you can draw a NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate, and XNOR gate. So basically it is how you gonna draw all the other gates with the help of just universal gates. So we'll see one by one. Okay. So first thing is, we know the similar thing. Okay. So first is, we'll see NAND gate. Okay. Sorry, AND NOT gate. So we know that simple. So NAND gate is this one. Okay. Simple NAND gate. I'll draw first. Okay. So you have A, B. So what you get in NAND gate? What is the output? NAND gate, what is the one output you get it? What is it, NAND gate? Complement of AND. So what does it come? Come on, guys.
A dot B
A
bar.
plus B naught.
Yeah, A into B. A into B is
Bar.
AND gate. So basically it is
Into B.
bar. Okay. A into B whole bars. Okay. So this is nothing but NAND gate. Okay. Now this is normal NAND gate. Now how I can draw this NAND gate as a NOT gate? So what I did is, last class I've explained. So basically I'll just short this value here. Okay. So only single input, and I'll short it that particular input. Okay. So now what happens here? This will become as A bar. Okay. So now we can see we represented a NAND gate as, this is nothing but NOT gate. Okay. So this is simple, straightforward. So NAND gate realization, you use a NAND gate. How to represent a NAND gate as a NOT gate? So basically you're gonna short here one single input. So basically only one value will go A. Okay. Even if you go with the particular thing, okay, like in Boolean algebra, different laws are there. Even if you take the value as A into A, okay, still the value will be coming as A. Okay. So you can substitute the values. These are Boolean laws also. Okay. So all the Boolean formulas, you'll get it later after this. You can just substitute and see. So for example, if I take the value as 0, 0 into 0 is obviously 0. Okay. 1 into 1 is obviously again 1. So basically we know that A into A is nothing but, you get the value as A. Okay. So this is nothing but NOT gate. Okay. Now what is the next gate? So next gate we will see how to draw an AND gate using NAND gate. So basically what, I'll take one similar, okay, similar NAND gate. Okay, an AND gate I've taken it. Now what I've done it, I've given two inputs. Okay, so that means two inputs I'm giving. Okay, so this is A and this is B. Okay, so what you get the output here, we know that A into B whole bar. Okay, this is simple NAND gate. Yeah. Tell me. So A into B whole bar. Okay. Now, how do I get, what is AND gate? AND gate is nothing but just A into B. Okay. Which is nothing but Boolean multiplication. So how do I get just A into B? So simple. Any idea how to get A into B? So how can I just cancel this bar? How do I cancel this bar?
By shorting it.
Sorry, can you speak a bit louder?
So similar to the NOT one, by shorting A dot B.
Yeah,
whole
so
bar.
basically what it is, similar like this top one, what you're gonna do is, you're gonna just send it to one more short NAND gate. Okay, so this is nothing but A into B. How? Because when you send the same value A into B, so what you will get, A into B whole bar. Okay, this is what it is. Then again you're sending to one more NAND. So what against one more bar will come. So bar will get cancelled, which will become as A into B. Okay. So basically complement of complement anything. So if it is A complement, again you take a complement of it, you will get it as A. Okay, that means double complement. All of you clear? Okay, this is simple AND gate. So now we know how to draw a NAND gate using AND gate. Okay, so we know NOT gate. Okay, we know AND gate also. Okay, now what is left? OR gate. OR gate we have to draw. Okay, let's see how we'll draw the OR gate. So basically OR gate, to get OR gate, what is the final one? OR gate is Boolean addition. So that means you need to get A plus B. Okay, you need to get A plus B. So this is what you have to get at the final. So how do we draw using just NAND gates? So what we'll do is, I'll take one NAND gate here. Okay, one more NAND gate here. Okay, just like how I did for the NOT gate, I'll take a single input. So that means, what is this? This is nothing but I'll take as A, and again one more single input, I'll take it as B. Okay, now what here, what is the one I'll get it here? A means here I'll get it as A bar. Sorry, I'll get it here as A bar. Okay, this is nothing but B bar. Okay, now what I'll do with this is, again all I have to do is I have to use only NAND gates. Why? Because the concept is nothing but NAND gate realization. So that means only using NAND gates I'm gonna draw the whole other gates, all the basic gates and the special gates. So how do I do that now? So I know I got A bar. Okay, I know I got B bar. I'm gonna send this to another NAND gate. Another NAND gate. So that means this input will be sent here to another NAND gate. Okay, then what I'll get it here? What I'll get it here? Actually, according to the formula, what I'll get it here, it is A bar. So it is one more NAND gate. A bar dot B bar. Okay, now what it is? A bar dot B bar. This is a NAND. Okay, this is a NAND. So that means you'll get one more whole bar. Okay, one more whole bar. Now there is a theorem called De Morgan's theorem. Okay, if you heard it or not. So what does the De Morgan's theorem says is, A plus B whole bar is also written as A bar into B bar. Same thing if you take, like I'm taking the whole of this particular A plus B. Okay, whole of this A plus B. So that means, which is nothing but A plus B is what? What is A plus B? A plus B is OR. Okay, OR complement is what? What it will come OR complement? What is OR complement?
A plus B the whole complement.
Yeah, A plus B whole bar. OR complement is also called as what?
And
A, OR complement.
nor.
NOR, right? A plus B whole bar is nothing but NOR, right? Okay. Same here again. When you write AB, okay, if you take the whole value of AB whole bar is nothing but, again you will take it as A bar plus individually B bar. Okay. Now, how do I know this is right or wrong? Okay, I've told you it is a theorem, everything. How do I know that this is right or wrong? So how can you prove
Truth
that
table.
left hand side is equal to right hand side?
Truth table.
Truth table, right? So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna use the truth table. Now we'll do the truth table. Before that, I'll just finish this one. Now what we have done it here, here we got it is, what we got it here? A bar into B bar whole bar. Okay. Now take this particular value. Now what is A bar B bar here? I can see that A bar B bar is nothing but A plus B whole bar. You can see here A bar B bar is nothing but whole bar. So what I'll write it as? A plus B, okay, A plus B whole bar, and again you can see the green one here on the top, there is one more bar, that is nothing equal to whole bar. So what this becomes as, the bar gets cancelled and now it is nothing but A plus B. Got it guys? Understood? So nothing, I've taken a short here, okay, so one A bar.
Sir, it's not A plus B whole bar. It's A double bar plus B double bar. No.
Sorry?
Isn't it A double bar plus B double bar?
No, see, this value, I'm taking here A bar into B bar, I'm just substituting as A plus B whole bar. This is whole bar. Okay?
Yeah, sir,
So
but
here,
he's telling what the statement says is A bar dot B bar the whole bar again.
sorry, can you speak a bit louder, please?
So it's
Yeah.
the value here says this one. Hold on. This one.
Which one is it?
So I'm showing it on the screen with the black pen.
Wait, okay, I edited, you can now do it. Yeah,
So
tell me.
the A bar dot B bar the whole bar. That's what
Ah.
he's trying to say. That how could it be A plus B bar? Because the complement gets cancelled.
No, what A bar dot B bar is what? Here, in the formula, top.
Oh, okay, fine.
A plus B whole bar.
The whole bar.
See here, see this one here. I substituted the value reverse of De Morgan's, that's it.
Okay, sir.
You got it?
Yeah.
So basically what it is, I just substituted, okay? I just substituted that particular value, okay? Now, okay? So you can see here, this A bar dot B bar, okay? Wait 1 second. Okay. Okay. Now you can see this value A bar dot B bar, okay, you have a bar here on the top whole, okay, that is fine. Now this value A bar dot B bar is here. So what I did, I know this is equal to A plus B whole bar, okay. So again I have one more green one, that whole bar. So that bar gets cancelled and you will get just as A plus B, okay. Clear guys? If you want to check with the truth table, now how do you check with the truth table? Okay, so basically what it is, A, B, okay. So first thing is, what is this? A plus B whole bar. Now we know that 2 inputs means 2 power n, so that is nothing but 2 power 2 is nothing but 4 combinations. So that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Okay. Now we'll see that. What is this? A plus B whole bar. So 0 plus 0, 0. 0 bar is 1. Okay. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 bar is 0. Okay. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 bar is again 0. 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 bar is again 0. So basically you know that A plus B whole bar, this is nothing but the truth table of, what is the truth table of this? What gate? A plus B whole bar, I just told you. A plus B is OR gate. Okay. So A plus B whole bar is what? Complement of OR gate is what?
NOR.
NOR gate. Okay. So it is nothing but the truth table of NOR gate. Now you want to see whether a plus b whole bar, okay, is equal to a bar into b bar, okay. You can also see that, okay. You want to check that a plus b whole bar is a bar into b bar. We can see that. What is, now see here, a bar into b bar, okay. Now what I'll do it is, I'll just, okay, I'll just put here 1, okay. So this, I'll put it here. Now what is this? A bar into b bar, okay. So that means 0 bar is 1, 0 bar is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, which is right, okay. 0 bar is 1, 1 bar is 0. Obviously any 1 is there, it will be 0, okay. Same again, 1 bar is 0, so by default it will become 0. Then again 1 bar is 0 and 1 bar is 0, it will be 0. So you can see that the a bar, b bar and a plus b both are having the same values. This is how you justify using the truth table. So truth table is nothing but you gonna list the values between input and output and see whether it is having the same values or not. You guys are clear now? The doubt is clear, right? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Now same gate, okay. I'm not gonna change anything. Now how NOT gate I have drawn using NAND gates, okay. AND gate also I have drawn, okay. AND gate also is drawn. How to draw now how to draw now XOR gate and XNOR gate, okay. So what is XNOR gate? First, what is the formula? We know this is OR gate, okay. So wait 1 second. Okay. Okay. So this is here. Now we'll see now what is what? XOR. Okay. So next is XOR. XOR gate. Okay. XOR gate. Okay. Sorry for the writing. Okay. What is the formula for XOR gate? How it will be written as A plus circle of B. Okay. This is also called as XOR. Okay. A circle of B. Okay. I'll just take this. Okay. Now this is equal to what? A XOR B is also written as per the formula, A B bar plus A bar B. So one of it. So A B bar plus A bar B. Now you want to prove this whether it is right or wrong value. You can actually check it. You can check separately also. You can check the value of what the table it will come of this. You can substitute the values 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, just the truth table. You can do that. Okay. Now let's see the diagram first. How do you draw this? Now what I did it here, I have drawn an XOR gate. Okay. Now same so how do I get this particular thing? So that means how I'll get this A and B. So now what I did is same thing. I'll take two inputs. Okay. So that means I'll take one NAND gate for A and for NAND gate for B. Okay. So NAND gate for B also. Okay. Sorry. NAND gate for B. Okay. Now, okay. What I did is I'm gonna first take the value as A, one input as A for the top one. Okay. Next, one input as B for the bottom one. Now what I did here, see what I did is I'm gonna short the other two inputs here. Okay. I'm gonna short here. Now what I did again here it is I'm gonna add an additional NOT gate here. Sorry, NAND gate here. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add here. So then again I'll give one more input here. Okay. I'll explain what to do. Okay. So this is how it is. Now so we'll see first what is the values you're getting it. So you're getting multiple values. Okay. Now this part is coming straight here. Okay. So what is the one input here? It goes, this is A. Okay, this is A. Okay, and this is B. Okay, now this comes here. Okay, and it goes to one more NAND gate here. So what is the output here? What is the output here? What is the output of this gate here? Just a NAND gate, guys. A and B. So what is it? Through NAND gate. It's there on the top only.
A dot B whole bar.
Yeah, A dot B whole bar, right? Okay. Now this is A here. Okay. This one. So what I'm getting, the other input. This is A here. The input I'm getting. The other input here is both sides A into B whole bar. Okay. Same again. This is B here. Okay. Then again here also A into B whole bar. Okay. Now when I pass these two to one more NAND gate here. Okay. So what I get it is, we know that A into B whole bar. Now what is this? Through one more NAND gate. Okay. Through one more NAND gate means, what it means? You'll get one more whole bar.
Huh?
One more whole bar. Correct? Same again here. Okay. Here it is B into, again same one, A into B whole bar. Then again NAND gate, so another whole bar. Now now according to what we have now, we have one particular this thing, De Morgan's law. So what is this? A into B whole bar is what? What is here? A into B whole bar is what? A bar plus B bar, right? So what we'll write it here this as, okay, A into, okay, A bar. So you see De Morgan's theorem plays a big role in the Boolean minimization. Okay, B bar. Now this bar is there on the top again. Don't forget that whole bar. Okay, same here also. B into, again AB bar. This is what I'll do. It is A bar plus B bar. Okay, this also whole bar. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna multiply this one to single way. Okay, so what does that mean is equal to, I'll put up the bar first. Okay, next A into A bar. A into A bar. So you're gonna learn one formulas now. A into A bar plus A into B bar. Okay, A into A bar plus A into B bar. This what it becomes, obviously this also whole bar. Okay, now what this will becomes, A bar into B plus B into B bar. B into B bar. Okay, now according to the laws or theorems, any value you multiply with the same complement, it is nothing but resulted as 0. So that means if you take X value and you multiply with X bar complement, the value is nothing but 0. Same like that, X we have seen previous, X into X. If you multiply the same value, X into X, you'll get it as X. Okay, so how to prove this? Obviously, we know that we have seen for this one. Okay, anything you multiply, if you take 0 as X, you take 0 as X, you got 0. That's how we have seen last before. If you take 1 as X and again 1 as X, you get 1. Okay, this is clear. We are clear with this one. Now with this one, same like that, you take 1 as this, 1 into 1 complement. Okay, what is 1 complement? 1 into 0. That is nothing but 0. Again, if you take one value as 0, 0 into 0 complement. So that is what? 0 into 1. 0 complement is 1. Again it will be 0. So hence proved, any value, any variable, if you multiply with its same complement, the value is nothing but 0. So now I can say that this will become as 0 and this will become as 0. Okay. So what happens now? So 0, 0. So that means what you will get it here? You will get it only, this will go off. Okay. So that is nothing but this will come as equal to A into B bar whole bar plus, okay, I won't put plus, wait. Okay, this is what you get from that. And from bottom, what you get? This will, so this will become 0. This will become 0. So now you get it as A bar into B, again whole bar. Okay, A bar into B whole bar. This is what you get it from the particular value. Now, what is the XOR value? What is the XOR value here? We have seen it. Okay, what is XOR value here? XOR value is what we have seen it as, which is nothing but it is written as A into B bar plus A bar into B. This is XOR, right? This is XOR. Now, I have the value here as A into B bar, but there is a whole bar. Okay, this is the problem for me, this bar. Same again, I have A bar into B bar, that is also there. So this is the problem, one more bar. So to finish this circuit, what I have to do? What I have to do here?
Again, send both the circuits
Yes,
to a NAND
send
gate.
both the inputs to one more NAND gate. That's it. Game over. When you send again one more to one more NAND gate, now what you will get it? You will add it. So basically what you got the output here? The output here, top one you got it is A into B bar whole bar, right? Here what you got it? A bar into B whole bar. So when you pass through NAND gate, another NAND gate, what you will get it here? Basically you will get it A bar, A into B bar, okay, whole bar, okay, into, right? Now what is this one again here? See, A into B bar, whole bar, okay, again A bar dot B into whole bar. Okay. Now, what is the one here? You know that this particular NAND gate. So NAND gate means, again, sorry, NAND gate means, sorry, okay. Okay, this is whole bar. This is what we have. So NAND gate means you get one more whole bar. Okay. NAND gate means you get one more whole bar. So what happens when you have a NAND gate whole bar? What is the value you will get it? What this will resulted as? Now what theorem you will apply?
Emer's law.
Sir, in the final, we'll get A B bar plus A bar B.
Yeah, see, you can see here, take this whole thing as A bar. So that means, now imagine this as 1. Okay, imagine this as 1. Okay, and this whole thing as 1. Okay, you have a bar there. Okay, so this one as A bar. Okay, and this one as B bar. Okay, now we know that A bar B bar is nothing but what? A bar into B bar. We know that it is nothing but on the top you can see that it is A plus B whole bar. So basically what it will become as, according to De Morgan's theorem, this again can be written as A B bar plus A bar B. You guys are clear? So basically you gonna apply De Morgan's theorem at every point. Okay. So that is what, this is also nothing but, okay, it is also nothing but XOR, how you will write it? A plus, this is nothing but XOR B. Okay. So this is how you write the NAND realization. Okay. All of you clear? See, unless until you draw it and then analyze each particular point, you won't understand. Okay. You have to draw it. You have to make sure that you apply that particular value. Okay. Now, last one. Okay. I'll finish the last one, guys. Last one is nothing but, I have drawn everything. Okay. Nothing. You just need to use the same circuit. Okay. I have drawn everything now. Okay. Same circuit now. I'm going to use it. Now, what is XNOR? What is XNOR? What is XNOR? We know this.
Complement of XOR.
Yes. So what I have to do this to the circuit here, the same circuit,
Put it through a NAND gate again.
simply just I add one more short circuit NAND gate. Okay. And this will come as, that's it. The same circuit, you will get it as now a circle of dot of circle, which is multiplication of circle B. This is nothing but XNOR. So XNOR is what? A bar, B bar plus AB. Okay. I can prove it as well. Now we know that what we got it here, what the final value here when you send it through, what you got it? We got A bar B, sorry, the bar I have to do. A bar B plus A B bar. This is what, right? Now what I'm doing is, this whole thing here I'm sending it to a NAND gate. So that means it is again I'm getting a whole bar here. Now again see here. Now what is this here? What I'm getting it here, it is whole thing. Okay, so that means A bar B plus A B bar whole bar. Okay, now what if I consider this whole thing, okay, this whole thing as one value, A, X, I'll take it as X and this is as Y. So that means what it actually replies? X plus Y whole bar, right? What is X plus Y whole bar? Now what it is nothing but, it is also written as in De Morgan's theorem, you can see here, it is X bar dot Y bar, right? Correct? You guys are getting? Yeah? So basically I am doing a complement of that particular thing. Okay? So what I'll do it when I get simple one. Okay? So A bar, this whole thing I'll take it as X plus Y whole bar. X plus Y whole bar is X bar into Y bar. Okay? So now substitute individually in that. Okay? So that means here what it is? X bar. Okay? X whole bar. So X is what? A bar into B whole bar. Okay? A bar into B whole bar. Okay? What happens now? Into. Okay? Now, what is this one?
Sir, plus.
Sorry? Oh yeah, plus, I'm sorry. And what is this one here? What is the other one? A into B bar, again whole bar. Okay? So basically what I'm going to substitute is, I'm going to take that particular value which will, hey, no, wait, I did a mistake. Sorry. No, wait 1 second. This is,
Sir, you did a mistake in the question, sir.
yeah. Now, sorry, where's the mistake? Only 1 second. No, wait. A bar. So what we have here, A bar B plus A B bar, okay, whole bar, okay. So this is nothing but, yeah. Now, okay, you don't need to substitute also, yeah, simple one. Now what is this value? This is what? A XOR, right? Sorry. This is nothing but A XOR B, okay. A XOR B complement is what? Which is nothing but directly you can write it. A XNOR B. That's it. Okay. You don't have to substitute also. Directly you can write it. Why? Because this we know that it is A XOR B. The formula which we know is directly here. Okay. This is A XOR B. Okay. Anything complement to the XOR is nothing but XNOR. So that means A circle of B. Okay. This is also nothing but A into B plus A bar B bar. Got it? Okay, guys. So these are the 4 things NAND realization. Same way you can do NOR also. I'll tell you next class. Okay, same thing. It's simple. Everything is the same. Only thing is, in the case of AND, you'll use OR. In the case of OR, NOR. And same again. All the gates you'll be using drawing with NOR gate. Okay. You guys are clear? Okay. So tomorrow lab, okay. Tomorrow lab, you have morning or afternoon? Morning, right? You got the lab morning, guys?
Sir, afternoon.
Oh, afternoon. Okay, fine then.
11.
So tomorrow afternoon, I'll take the lab. Okay. So before that, I'll explain you some basic concepts of the Boolean thing. So which is nothing but like this: A into A equal to A into A bar equal to 0. Like that, there are some another 10, 12 rules. So all that I'll explain and then I'll start the lab. Okay. Okay, guys. Sorry for today. I got stuck in the rain in between, so I couldn't come fast soon. Okay. Okay, guys. Any doubts? You guys are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hello. Bye. I'll see you next.
Thank you, sir.